Hi everyone. We're going to graph the curve whose parametric equations are given. X equals 2 times e to the power of t and y equals 1 plus e to the power of t. We're also going to show the orientation and find the rectangular equation of the curve. So let's look at the rectangular equation of the curve first. That kind of gives us an idea what it's going to look like. So I'm going to look at y equals 1 plus e to the power of t, and this one is x equals 2 e to the power of t, and solve for e to the power of t, and you get x divided by 2 equals e to the power of t. So using substitution, I'm going to get y equals 1 plus e to the power of t is x divided by 2. Now multiply through by 2, you get 2y equals 2 plus x. And if you want to write it in this form, let's move this 2y over. You get x minus 2y plus 2 equals 0. So it's going to be a line. Now let's go ahead and graph this. The way we can graph it is look at some table of values. This one's going to be harder if you don't use a calculator. So this one you might want to use a calculator. We're starting with t is greater than or equal to 0. So let's start with 0. E to the 0 power equals 1. So our x is just going to be 2, and our y is also going to be 2. Now when we get to, let's see, t equals 1, you're going to get 2e, and then you're going to get 1 plus e. All right, and then if you did 2, that would be 2e squared times 1 plus e squared. And remember, e is approximately 2.718. So if you're not using a calculator, we can just graph this as our point 2, comma 2 goes here. And then 2e would be 2 times this, which is, oops, that's a 2, which is going to be less than, if I said 2 times 3, that would be 6. So it's going to be less than 5. So at 5, let's just say it's close to 5. So at 5, we're going up to close to 4. So we'll just get a general idea of this curve. And then graph it accordingly. Again, you can use a calculator on it. The orientation is this way. You're drawing the arrow. We're starting from this point and going to the right. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.